Hi, everyone. Took us a minute.
We were like, what's happening?
We're in a different place. Well, I mean, we're in the library, but...
We're in a different place in the library.
So welcome back to Marx Library Live. I'm Stephanie Eversard. I am a social sciences librarian here at the Marx Library. And
I'm Beth and Stephanie. I'm the arts and humanities librarian here at the Marx Library.
my head looks really
Mine
small.
does too. I keep going like, what is up? My hair looks either really big or your head looks really small. I don't know, maybe, is that better?
I think that's good. Doesn't matter because we're about to walk around.
Anyway, welcome back.
Welcome back. So we are outside the Learning Commons on the first floor.
So if you hear like dinging of elevators and people walking by, that's why. We're not in like a hotel lobby.
No.
Although we wish. So we're
Depending on the hotel, I suppose.
right, I guess. That could, yeah. Ding! Okay, so we were outside the Learning Commons on the first floor of the Marx Library because we thought it would be fun this week to kind of, well, fun. Maybe not fun.
Interesting, useful.
Informative.
To show you something new that's been happening at the library.
Yeah, and some of you guys have noticed it because you've had to deal with it. But we have made some changes to our print management system here at the Marx Library.
We have finally gotten wireless printing.
Yeah, and it's...
Angels are singing.
I know, like some baby, like every time a bell rings somewhere, like somebody got its wings. Yeah, it's not the kind of wireless, it's wireless printing. But it's not the kind of wireless printing that you're used to. Like, you know, where you're at home and you just like click print.
Ding ding on your phone.
And it prints.
Printer,
Yeah.
Not quite that convenient.
Not quite that convenient. So we thought we would walk you guys through the process of printing and kind of show you how it's a little bit different, but you can print from your laptop now, which is a big win over the past.
Right. Which means you can print from anywhere in the library.
Yeah, which is nice. Or, I mean, technically you should be able to print from home and then pick it up
That's
here.
right, yeah. You could, but your job will expire if you're not back within an hour. So.
Oh, you have to be really fast.
Do I want to know what you're doing?
We're live right now. All right, so does anybody want to see who? Say hey, Patrick Shaw. Oop. Yeah, he's like, hey. Okay.
A surprise to pay for
interrupting. Okay, so let's go in the Marx Library. In the Learning Commons.
And if you forget what we're talking about, you can get one of these at any of the desks, and it covers all the information.
Yeah, it's very helpful, step by step. Okay, so where do we want to start? Let's say we're printing from the Learning Commons, and the steps are going to be the same, whether or not you're printing in the library or you're printing from your own laptop or like an hour away in your dorm room.
Right. If you're using one of our computers, it is a little bit different.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's show them one of our computers, and then let's talk about what to do if you're using the laptop.
Okay, let's show them one of our computers. Okay, I'll follow you. Go.
You're following me?
Yeah, I'm following you. You're in charge.
In addition to these things, if you forget how to print, you can always ask whoever is sitting here.
Oh, Ashley, she's there. Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
All right, so let's print. So this is going to be like in reverse for them, isn't it?
No.
It's not?
No.
Oh, I
Mm-mm.
always thought it flipped it. Okay. So what do I print?
Let's print a document. Is there a document saved?
I know. I won't open that spreadsheet because it might make some of our viewers cry, depending on who's watching.
Are there any downloads in there?
Let's see if there's anything.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to print a Word document. I don't know what that is.
That's an Excel document, but
Well, we're going to print that. Ooh, there's
Ooh,
birds. I hate birds.
I love birds.
Okay, so we're going to do file print like we normally do, right?
Yes. And then we're going to choose track card.
Okay.
We're going to hit print. Then it's going to prompt you for your J number and a name for the job.
So you'd enter your J number like you do everywhere else.
So I guess I'll go ahead and do it, even though
Yeah.
I'll just show them how to print it. Now they all know my J number.
Well, they can't really do anything with it. That's the whole point. Bird file.
Except they could pretend to be me coming to the Learning Commons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you send it to print.
Okay.
Pretty easy so
Now,
far.
let's say that you were off campus.
If I were off campus, then what I would need to do is I would need to go to...
So open up a web browser.
Yeah, open up a web browser and then go to, make sure I get it right, libprint.southalabama.edu.
Yep.
And it's going to take you to a print center. And then you're going to log in using your J number and your email password. And then
Okay, and this is where things get a little weird.
it's going to give you the option to upload a file.
So this is technically the wireless printing, right? Like,
So
I mean, technically.
this is already uploaded because I already sent it
Yeah, but
using
like-
my J number.
right.
But if I needed to upload something else, let's just see what's here.
Ooh, micro exam.
That looks fun.
Okay, and the thing about this is you got to make sure at this point that you click the box. Yep, both of them.
I'm going to send them both. Okay.
Yep. And then that's it. Then you just log out, right?
That's it. Yeah. And then the next step to actually get your print. So let's show them that.
Yep. Log out. Make sure you do that.
I'd hate for someone to get my Bird file.
I know your bird file is super important. Okay. So we're going to walk out here like we're one of us. Do we have a track card? No, we don't.
We don't have a track card, but we can still show them, right?
Yeah. I don't think so. I think you have to have a track card.
Or you gotta put a track card in.
So anyway, guys, we're loving this.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, no, you don't. So you
Okay.
enter here your login ID, which is your J number again.
And then your email password.
And then there are the two jobs.
And then there are the two jobs. You're gonna select what you want to print. So if you want them both, you do them one at a time.
Yep.
We discovered that you can't do multiple. You have to do them one at a time. And then you're going to put your track card in
Machine
and click
there.
print.
And click print.
If you forget, it will prompt you to insert your card.
Okay, so deal is, it's super easy to use now. And you can print wirelessly, right? So you don't have to be like printing from a library computer, which was the problem before. So you have two options. You can print from a library computer, or you can go to the libprint.southsouth.edu on any computer, as long as you get here within an hour
Right.
to print it.
Okay, so one more thing we should show them is if you do not have a file to upload, if you are trying to print from
What?
Oh.
I pressed the button.
That's okay.
Sorry.
If you're trying to print from, oh, my hair is a mess. That's irrelevant. If you are trying to print from your own device, but you do not have a file to upload, like you're trying to print from a browser, you will have to save that as a document first. So the easiest way to do that is just to go to print, and instead of choosing track card, choose
Save to PDF.
save to PDF. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you upload that PDF and you can print it.
Yeah, and it gives you, when you, I don't know, you probably noticed in the little libprint client thing, if you mouse over upload, it'll tell you the kind of files that are supported. Most of them are supported. I think Google Doc, unfortunately, is not a supported file, which makes us mad because we love Google Docs.
Right.
But so download it as it, like Stephanie said, like download it and save it as a PDF, and then you can upload it that way. Yeah.
So if you're trying to print something like from USA Online, you'll have to download it and save it first.
Yes. Okay. So, and then the same printing, like the other things about printing are the same, right? So track card is how you put money on your print card
It's
thing.
still 10 cents a page.
Still 10 cents a
Only
page.
black and white. We don't have color printing.
All that stuff. So all that stuff's still the same. It's just now there's kind of some extra steps. But if you, like, you don't have to make up a password anymore, which was always
In
really
fact, you
confusing.
should make up a password. You should be using your J number.
J number and your
If you make
USA Online
if you make
password.
it up and you come out here, you won't be able to get your.
Right. So it's
Yeah.
all official. Look, she's doing it right now. Look at her. Okay. All right, guys. So
I think that's it.
That's it. It's
Yeah, it's
printing
so
now.
easy.
So easy. Okay.
The cool thing is you can print from your own laptop.
Finally.
Finally.
Welcome to the 21st century.
All right, I don't think we have any questions. I think everyone's just waving at us.
Hi. Well, hi.
And remember, if you get confused or something doesn't seem to be working right,
My arm is tired.
just
Just set it down.
Just let somebody know, and we'll help you figure it out.
Hold that thing for like 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, so don't, like somebody said, don't hesitate to ask. There are plenty of people at the circulation desk that can help you, and there are people at the Learning Commons desk that can help you out too.
And upstairs.
Yeah, so there's a printing station down here in the Learning Commons, and there's also a printing station on the second floor outside of the library and offices.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Well, that's like our shortest one ever.
I know, but it's very self-explanatory
It
now.
is.
We just thought we would, because we get students who come in that are came in from like last year, and they're like, wait, what did y'all do?
And they're still like making up their own username and
Right, and
password.
we're like,
yeah.
no, like, it's new and exciting. Okay, so,
All right, so you're already following us on Instagram. Encourage your friends to do the same. We also have Facebook and Twitter, and in a couple weeks we're going to have some exciting events coming up, so we'll tell you more about those next week.
yeah, and next week we'll get back to, like, legit library researchy kind of topics.
Right.
So prepare yourselves. We've kind of eased you in slowly. That's
get
over.
ready.
Get ready. Prepare thyself, right? Okay, if you guys have anything you want to know, make sure you let us know. Put it on our give us a little direct message. Slide into our DMs and let us know so that we can do whatever you want to know. Okay, thanks, guys.
All right, bye everyone.